Hello, and welcome back to the garden. Today we're talking about Bhindi, or okra. This vibrant green vegetable is a staple in many cuisines and incredibly easy to grow. Whether you have a backyard or a sunny windowsill, Bhindi is a rewarding, low-maintenance addition to your garden. The journey to a bountiful harvest begins with selecting the right seeds. Traditional green okra is a classic, but red okra adds a dramatic splash of color and a slightly sweeter flavor. High-quality seeds are the foundation of a healthy plant, so choose a reputable supplier. Soak the seeds in water overnight before planting to encourage faster germination. This simple step helps to soften the outer shell and ensures uniform growth. Bhindi thrives in well-drained soil. Loose, airy soil with plenty of organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure is ideal. This provides essential nutrients for strong growth and a bountiful harvest. Bhindi prefers slightly acidic to neutral soil pH, ideally between 6.0 and 7.5. You can easily test your soil pH using a simple kit from most garden centers. Bhindi is versatile when it comes to planting. You can sow seeds directly into the ground or use containers at least 12 inches deep. Space plants about 12 to 18 inches apart for proper air circulation. Cover seeds lightly with soil, about half an inch to an inch deep. Water gently but thoroughly, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Bhindi loves sunlight, so choose a spot with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Consistent watering is key, especially during initial growth stages. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. As plants mature, they develop some drought tolerance, but monitor moisture levels during hot or dry spells. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil to check if it's time to water. Feed your Bhindi plants with a balanced organic fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks. Mulching with organic materials like straw or wood chips helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids and flea beetles. Neem oil spray can deter unwanted visitors. Regular care ensures healthy plants and an abundant harvest. Harvest time. Within 45 to 60 days, your Bhindi plants will produce tender pods. Harvest when pods are 3 to 4 inches long using a sharp knife or pruning shears. Regular harvesting encourages continuous production. Freshly picked Bhindi is best enjoyed immediately, but you can blanch and freeze any excess. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. There you have it, everything you need to grow your own Bhindi at home. From sowing seeds to harvesting pods, it's a rewarding experience. Freshly picked Bhindi has a sweetness and tenderness you can't find in stores. Until next time, happy growing! Like and subscribe for more gardening tips.